Hello everyone, welcome to Tummy Views. Today we are going to discuss about the range keyword in the Golang. Right, in the previous video we have discussed about the maps. Right, when we are discussing about the range keyword, maps, arrays, slices are very important. Right, if you haven't watched those things, please look into my previous videos and look that up. Right, this one. Okay, first I will clear my workspace, and then I'm creating the slice called nums, right, with integer variables int. I have added, we'll add 2, 3 and 4, right. Then if we want to print the each element of this slice, we can simply use O keyword, right. O. Then if we want to if we do not want the index, we can simply ignore that one by using the underscore, and then we can get the number to this element. And then we want to use the range keyword, and we want to mention the what we want to iterate, right. Then we can simply fmt print line now, right. I will run this one and see what is the output. It will iterate through the slice, right. And then if we want to get the summation, then we can simply create a variable called sum, right. Assign the value with 0 and then get the summation, like in this way, plus equal num, right. Then after that we can print the summation, right, using the sum. Like in this way, right. It will add the all the elements of this slice, right. Okay. Then if we want to print the index with the element, right, we can simply remove this underscore and then I can get the index to here. Then I will print like in this way, index comma index, right. Then value, right. Index and then value. Like in this way, we can get the index and as well as the value, right. Index 0, it has a value 2. Index 1 has value 3. Index 2 has value 4, right. Hope you have got these things. If you want to iterate the array, we can simply use this one. Instead of creating slice, we can by replace this one with array, right. Those things you can practice, because I have teach you how to create the arrays, and then you want to in here create the array, right. Other steps are same. Okay, then I will create the map, and then I will show you how we can iterate through the maps, right. First I will create the map called aim, right, and then map. Okay, then I add the key type is string, and then value type also a string, right. Then we can add the values. First I will add the key and then value. A apple, right. Sorry. B banana, right. Okay, then This is the way how we can create the map, right? Then if you want to iterate through this one, in here we can get the key and then value, right? And using the range keyword we can iterate this, right? fmt.println key, right? Key and value, right? V, right? Now these are very important, right? Okay, then if you want to get only key, right? How we can do that? We can simply I will copy this one, and if I want to get the key only, we can use in this, right? And it will print the keys only, right? And if we want to get the values, we can use the same thing, right? So we can get the values, then just we can add this, right? Then value like in this set, right? Those things are very simple, right? But you want to know those things, right? In here I have ignored the key, right? Using the underscore, right? Okay, if you want to get the iterate through the string, how, what is happening? I want to iterate views, right? What happened now? What happened now? Range and then fmt.println, right? I am printing the I, C. Okay, now I will show the output here. It will demo you the first, it will get the index, right? Index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then it will get the first element, it is a capital C, and display the ASCII value of capital C, right? And then it will get the simple H and print the ASCII value of simple H, right? These are things that I want to mention in this video, right? Hope we have learned new things. If you have any question, please mention those things in the comment section. I am really glad to answer your questions, right? Okay, if you like this video, please like and share this with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.